Hey there everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create QR code using the powerful Adobe Express platform. Whether you need to share a link, promote an event or direct people to your online content, QR codes are a fantastic tool. Let's dive in and see how it's done. To get started, open up Adobe Express. Once it is open, click on the plus icon to start a new project. From there, you will see Quick Actions option. Then click on to Generate QR code. Click on that and you will be taken to a QR code generator. In QR code generator, simply paste the URL or link you want to associate with your QR code. This could be website or social media profile or any of the online content you want to share. For this, we will create a QR code for YouTube videos. Search YouTube in here, whichever you want to, then copy the URL code in here. Once you have entered the link, you can customize the appearance of the QR code. Adobe Express allows you to choose between a square or round style as well as select a variety of color to match your branding or design. When you're happy with the way your QR code looks, go to File Format. You can choose to save it as JPG, PNG or SVG file depending on your needs. Simply click the download button and that's it. You have now created a custom QR code using Adobe Express. Remember, you can use this QR code in your marketing materials, on your website or even on physical products to drive traffic and engagement. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.